What's going on, folks? It's your boy back with another one, and today's video is sponsored by DistroKid. Okay, now I tell all of the artists that I work with personally that the #1 investment for your music career is getting your distribution. If you want to be in the Amazons, the iTunes, the Apple Musics, the Spotify's, the titles, then you gotta get with DistroKid. Okay, for the flat fee of $19.99 a year, you will be able to release whatever you want, whenever you want. Okay, you'll be able to set up your artist pages on Spotify and Apple Music. You'll be able to get your YouTube music rocking, and you'll also be able to check out your analytics to see where are your listeners going to be at. Not to mention tons of other features that would take me probably an hour-long video to get into. Now, I just signed up for DistroKid yesterday because I plan on dropping music. Everybody's telling me to drop music, so I knew it was a no-brainer to go with DistroKid. Okay, and DistroKid is gonna hook all of us up with this link that if you sign up, you get a little discount too, so we can go ahead and get things rocking. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. What's the deal, peeps? It's your boy back with another video, and today I want to break down Dababy's Masterpiece. Masterpiece is probably one of my favorite songs out right now. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, because it's a banger. Okay, and in this breakdown, I'm gonna kind of get more into seats. Okay, you guys always hear me talking about seats. What is a seat? In my opinion, in my words, in my definition, a seat is a place in the beat that you choose to focus on. You choose to place your emphasis on. You choose to base your melody off of. You choose to base your flow off of. Okay, in this particular song, Dababy's seat is the 2. Okay, and the 2 is where he's going to place his melody or flow, and how you know this is Masterpiece is the title, right? Masterpiece. Every time the 2 comes around, or every time his seat comes around, he's going to rhyme with that, which is going to create a pattern. So if I got this middle finger, every time the 2 comes around, and you see that middle finger every time the 2 comes around, okay, subconsciously your brain is going to say every time that 2 comes around, I'm expecting to see that middle finger. And this is how rappers create patterns of catchiness. When I get into my next Drake video, you'll see Drake does the exact same thing on the 1. Some rappers do it on the 3, some do it on the 2, some switch it up, but I'm going to get into kind of what it is. Okay, I'm going to first start off by counting the beats. You're going to notice every time I put up a 2, he's going to either say Masterpiece or mad at me, laugh at me, adding me, adding me, adding me, adding me. He's going to hit that note. He's going to hit that melody on the 2. This creates a pattern of catchiness, okay? You see that? Every time the 2 came around, mad at me, adding me, okay? And every second and fourth line, he would hit the adding me on the 4. So it was my little bitch is a masterpiece. Dun 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 dun. Don't laugh at me. So stuck my dick when she mad at me. Making her name me mad to see. Dun 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 dun. Slide on your bitch ass for me. Bust down to your new masterpiece. Okay. So it's basically like a B A B. If you want to put it in those terms. Okay. This is what creates catchiness. You can basically fit this idea, this concept to any, the 1. Okay, say for instance, I'll put it on the 1. I want to focus on the 1. All right, here's the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Masterpiece. Fun son, 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 masterpiece. Fun son, son, that's masterpiece. Son, she laughs at me. Son, bad to me. Son, bass at me. Son, rattery. Son, matheries. Son, gas at these. Son, okay? It's not as powerful on the 1, and different songs, different beats, different vibes are going to give you different direction of where to go. Okay, but you can implement this into all your hook and chorus writing in order to create catchy choruses, catchy hooks. It's all on you on how you want to do the pattern and how you decide to do it. Okay, now something else I want to point out in this song is the chorus is repeated. Okay, so he's got four lines. My little bitch is a masterpiece. I ain't got about no funny son, no dose, still gonna laugh at me. So stuck my dick, she mad at me. Let a nigga make you mad to see how bob I hit the bitch, nigga gonna slide on your bitch ass for me, bust down, call your new masterpiece. That's 4 lines. And what does he do? He repeats it. So he has the first four. But I want you to pay attention to the second 4. This is how you can repeat half of your chorus and keep it fresh. You know what I'm saying? Listen to the first one and listen to the second one. Tell me what the difference is. Okay, you see he added the added and that's all he needed. That's all he needed to create the variation for that. Okay, so if you want to repeat, your chorus, you just need to find a way to make that second one to present it in a different context. Bring something new, bring in a new element to keep it fresh. Because if he did do the it would have got boring probably the fifth time you heard the song. But that that adds the variation. So if you're ever wondering why maybe sometimes your chorus when you repeat them don't work, think, am I adding something new to it? Am I presenting the same thing in a new context? Meaning, did the beat change? Did I add an ad lib to it? Did I change the pitch? Did I change the tone of it? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. I'll holler at you later. Peace.